Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to trade stickers in Monopoly Go. So, in Monopoly Go, there are stickers that you can collect, and there are albums for those stickers. Once you complete an album, like for example, you need 9 stickers in one album, and you complete those stickers, you're gonna get rewards. And if you have duplicate stickers, you can change those by trading it with your friends. So how do you send it to your friends? You're gonna want to tap on the sticker, and then it's gonna show select a friend. So just tap on that, and it's gonna show your list of friends, and then you're gonna want to select the user. And once you do that, just tap on send to friend, and they get the sticker. And also, of course, they're gonna need to send you one back, or else it's a scam. Unless you just want to be kind and donate them a sticker. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any questions? Feel free to comment down below.